Hey everyone, in this video we're going to add an elastic load balancer or ELB to our two EC2 instances. The question is why? Because load balancer makes your app more reliable, more scalable, and easier to access, especially when you are running multiple instances to handle traffic. So let's dive in and set up one. So real quick, what is load balancer? Think of a load balancer like a smart traffic controller. It receives incoming web traffic and sends it based on the protocol and port you set. The listener, however, checks each request against your rules and directs it to the right target group. Traffic goes only to healthy servers using load balancing method to make sure no single server gets too busy. In this video, we're going to focus on application load balancer. Alright, time to build one. Head to your EC2 dashboard. On the left sidebar, locate Load Balancers and click on it. On the top right corner, click on the drop-down menu and choose Create Application Load Balancer. Now let's fill out the details. Load balancer name. I will give my load balancer name as My Web ELB. For scheme, choose internet facing. Basically, we want the load balancer to be accessible from the web. For load balancer IP address type, choose IPv4. For network mapping, choose your custom VPC. And then select at least two public subnets, ideally in different availability zones. Now let's go to the security groups. Create or select one that allows HTTP traffic on port 80 from anywhere. If you don't have one, you can create it right here and just follow the instruction. And when you finish, you can come back to this page. For listeners and routing, leave protocol HTTP port 80, but for the default action, we need to create target group to add our two EC2 instance to this target group so the load balancer can forward the traffic to this group. Since we don't have one, we're gonna create one right now. Click on create target group, fill out the details, select instance, scroll down to target group name. I'm going to name my target group web target group. For IP address type, leave it as IPv4. Scroll down to VPC, make sure it's select your VPC. For health check, leave it as is. Scroll all the way down and then click next. Now in this page, you will see the available instance and we're going to select both of them and then click on include as pending below. If you scroll down, you will see target group. Click on as pending below. They will appear in this target group. Then click create target group. Go back to listeners and routing. Click refresh. Drop down menu and you will see your target group right here. Select it, scroll down all the way down, leave everything as a default and click create load balancer. Done. Now this is your load balancer information details. The status is still provisioning. The PPC right here, available zone right here, and the DNS right here. We're gonna copy and paste the DNS name into a new browser to see how the application load balancer distribute traffic between the two EC2 instances. Now copy the DNS name, open a new tab and paste and then hit enter. Boom, you should see the same web page we served from EC2. Welcome to the cloud, your EC2 instance live. Now, if you hit refresh, you will see the IP address changes. That means the application load balancer distribute the traffic between the two EC2 instances that it's registered under the target group. So I'm gonna hit refresh, and you will see the IP address changing. I'm double click on refresh. That is your load balancer in action. And that's it, your own elastic load balancer distributing traffic between EC2 instance like a pro. This is how large-scale applications stay online and scale seamlessly. And now you've got the power in your own hand. Next up, want to automatically scale this instance based on traffic. So let's build an auto-scaling group. See you in the next one.